Year 7 theta, question number 5. Here is an isosceles triangle ABC, so ABC are the corners. Work out the size of angle BAC. So BAC is the angle at A, it's always the middle letter. So we go from B to A to C, that's the angle they're asking us to work out. Now we have a triangle, we know that the sum of angles in a triangle are 180, we know one of the angles is 40. So if we do 180, take away 40, we are left with 140 degrees. Let's write that a bit more clearly. So 180 take away 40 is 140 degrees. So the remaining two angles must add to make 140. Now because it's an isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, hence these two angles must be equal. So because there's 140 degrees left, all we have to do is 140 divide by 2. 2 won't go into 1, 2 goes into 14 7 times, 2 goes into 0, goes 0 times. So half of 140 is 70, so both bottom angles are 70. Question number 6. QRS is a straight line. PSR is an equilateral triangle. Work out the size of angle PRQ. PRQ. That's the angle PRQ. The R in the middle, going from P to R to Q. Now, first of all, our equilateral triangle, PSR, each angle in an equilateral triangle, the angles must add to 180. There's 3 angles. If you do 180 divided by 3, then each angle is 60. So we know that we've got 60 there, we've got 60 there, and we've got 60 there. So the angle that we're looking for makes a straight line with that 60. So just looking at that bit there, that angle in total is going to be 180. So to work out our angle, we're going to do 180 take away 60. 180 take 60, the answer would be 120. Question 7. Now we've got a quadrilateral here. In a 4-sided shape, a quadrilateral, the angles add up to 360. So that's a key fact we need to know. For the first bit, for working out the size of angle A, we've got a straight line there. So to work out A, angles on a straight line are 180, take away 105, so angle A would be 75 degrees. Now for angle B, this is where we're going to have to use the fact that the sum of angles is 360. I know A is now 75. If I add together the 3 angles inside the quadrilateral, so inside the quadrilateral, the 3 angles that I know, if I was to do 114, add 93, add 75, those 3 would add up to, so 114 add 90 is 204, add 3 is 207, 207 add 75 is 282. So I need to make 360 altogether. So the last thing I'm going to do is 360 take away 282. That'll leave us with 18 and 60, so that's going to be 78 degrees.